Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here, back with another video. Today I am going to show you how to make the ultimate vegetable fried rice dish made for 10 plus people. If you don't have 10 plus people to feed, that is okay. This dish can be refrigerated and easily reheated whenever you're hungry. It is extremely easy to make and takes around 30 minutes or so to prepare and cook. Your family and friends will surely love it. Before we get started, if you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel right now so I can continue posting more food videos for you in the very near future. Let's go! Okay, the first thing you will need to do is cook the rice. If you don't already have one, I highly recommend you invest in a rice cooker. You don't need a very fancy one. You can get a suitable rice cooker for around 20 bucks or so. First, make sure you wash and then rinse the rice. I use 3 cups of raw rice for this recipe. To keep things simple, use a 1-to-1 ratio of water to rice. 3 cups of rice equals 3 cups of water. Super simple. Press the button on the rice cooker, put a lid on it, and it's ready to go. After the rice is done, spread it out on a flat pan like so and put it in the refrigerator for like an hour or two. The rice grains will firm up, making it easier to separate and decreasing the chances of your fried rice turning out mushy. Some of the ingredients you will need: 1 can of corn, 1 carrot, 2 pieces of celery, make sure you wash them, half a yellow onion, 1 yellow pepper, 3 orange peppers, and 4 red peppers. I like to use the sweet mini pepper variety, super colorful and tasty, and about half a pound of peapods. We are going to dice them all up. After you diced up all the veggies, next take out 5 eggs, crack them open, and beat well. Turn on your pan at high heat, pour about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, scramble the eggs until they're about medium cooked, and then place on the side. Alright, it's cooking time. Turn on your stove on high heat. Pour in about 5 tablespoons of oil. Once that heats up, use about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and saute a little bit. Now pour in all the diced veggies and stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now add about 1 cup of peas and stir fry a little bit more. Take the rice out of the fridge and pour it all into the cooking pan. Now stir fry it all up. So far so good. Easy, right? Stir fry for about 5 minutes or so. You should hear it sizzling. Make sure to pat down any clumpy parts of the rice. Now toss in the eggs that you scrambled earlier and mix well. You may be thinking at this time, Hot Pot Bob, should you have used a bigger pan to stir fry this? My response? Great question, and the answer is yes. Unfortunately, this is the biggest pan I have. I just have to do with what I have. Okay, it's seasoning time. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of MSG, which is monosodium glutamate. It's a flavor enhancer. Makes your dish really tasty. Toss it all around. Look at how beautiful the colors are. Any of you hungry yet? It's taste test time. Tastes really good. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Okay, we're in the stretch run. Next, I'm going to pour in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. The difference between light and dark soy sauce is that light soy sauce is used more commonly as a dipping sauce or condiment, whereas dark soy sauce is used to add color, depth, and flavor to the dish. Dark soy sauce is also less salty and a little thicker than the light soy sauce. Something to keep in mind, I kept the heat on high throughout this whole cooking process. The goal now is to get all of the rice covered in that dark soy sauce. That's how you'll know when it's ready, is when every little grain is covered with this dark soy sauce. I am now going to finish it off with 1 teaspoon of pure sesame oil. Pure sesame oil has a slightly nutty but basically neutral flavor that works well on this rice dish. Using dark sesame oil to add a pop of nutty, toasty flavor and aroma to this rice will bring it home. Alright, this vegetable fried rice dish is ready to be served. I am going to transfer it into this pan here to be served as presentation. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video on how to make vegetable fried rice. Simple to prepare, easy to cook, and oh so tasty. Now all of you can show off to your family and friends and surprise them with this wonderful dish. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye.